Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. The next frontier, which is not far away in AI, is to create videos like these from text prompts. Still, these sort of videos are enclosed and confined to these closed source models and API based services like Vidu, Sora, and few others. And I'm hoping that soon we would be able to create these videos by installing these models locally, privately, and we would be able to generate um, limitless videos of as many length of seconds as possible, just like we do with text or other modalities. But anyway, in this video I'm going to show you a very quick video about Vidu, which is a tool that lets you create videos from text or images. Now, one thing I want to clarify, this is not a paid or sponsored video. I have very limited credits. So I will be just doing it live. I haven't even tested it out yet. I have just seen it in action in some of the social media platforms and I was really tempted to test it out. So video, the creators haven't reached out to me. It is just a voluntary which I am going to do. Now, um, I will drop the link to its website in video's description. Once you are there, all you need to do is to just click on try video and then sign in. Once you sign in, you will be presented with this screen. From here, I will take you to this image to video and let me upload image here from my local system. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to upload few images from my local system which I will be using. For example, I'm going to upload this image. So I have just uploaded these two images from my local system, and if you are a bit older or if you're a movie buff, you might recognize this scene from an amazing movie Pulp Fiction. But this is me, of course it's not John Travolta, and I have just did some magic from my one of the local model to replace my face. And if you're interested, just search my channel with face replacement in the images and you should be able to find few models around it. Anyway, so as you see, these are the two images. I cannot upload more, otherwise I would be able to create a full movie, and I can only do 4 seconds with this free account, and it is all just auto. One thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to paste this text prompt where I am asking it to do. In a cinematic scene in the bustling ambience of Jackrabbit Slims, a man sits at a corner booth clad in a sleek black suit with an ornate bolo tie. His face, familiar yet uniquely his own, replaces a legendary cinematic figure. As vibrant neon lights dance around, he savors a cigarette, exuding mystery and cool confidence. Suddenly, his focus shifts, and with effortless grace, he joins his companion and captures the room's attention with a playful dance to You Never Can Tell by Chuck Berry. The crowd watches, captivated by their rhythm and undeniable chemistry, leaving echoes of laughter and music. I'm so tempted to actually upload one of the, maybe I'll just try to upload, instead of this I'll upload a companion image. This is again an AI generated one. Okay, so it says just, I'll just say maybe first frame display, last frame. I think it is not coming into the picture, so I'll just cancel it. I'll just use my own then. Sorry, I could. Anyway, you have to just bear with this one. So let's create on create 4, and then it is in the queue. There is a 1 to 3 minutes to go. Of course, you can upgrade for a faster generation. So let's wait to see what sort of video it generates. You can also go with text to video, and then there is a reference to video where you can edit it. And I believe it also offers you a studio where you can do a lot of other stuff. It's almost there. Okay, so there is a video. Let me play it. Not really. I don't think so. It is good enough still. It's crazy. So it has mixed both of the photos, but you see, yeah, I think could be improved. But as I said, I'm not going to edit it. I'm just going to show you as is. I still have few credits. Maybe I will try one more. Now in the next example, I have just picked up two more images from the same, and I'm saying in a cinematic scene in the bustling ambience of Jackrabbit Slim, a man sits at the corner booth and clad in all that stuff. But this time I'm saying that he savors a cigarette exuding mystery and cool confidence. Suddenly his focus shifts and with effortless grace he smiles and picks up the ashtray, throws it across the table and calmly smokes his cigarette. Let's see. Okay, looks good. Let me run it. I don't see, even the face is uh, once it moves, there is a malformation in the face, as you can see. It's not as perfect as you would want. There you go. You can recreate it, but I think I'm not sure how much difference that is going to make. And I don't see the man throwing the cigarette across. There you go. But a lot of other stuff is same, which is good. Anyway, so this is, I wish I could generate a video like this with this free credit, but it seems there is not to be. Now, if you are already using this video, because I see a lot of people are using it, I'm sure if I go here and change this to 1080 pixel, it is going to improve a lot. I have no doubt in my mind. But that is the pricing is bit expensive, I think, at the moment. And so but I will wait, I'll see if I could get some credits from video. And if you are video, please reach out. I would be happy to review it again with a proper pixelate here and the other configuration. That's it. Let me know what do you think about it. If you're already using it, I'm very keen to hear your thoughts on it. Would love to create videos like this with video or any other tool. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.